Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need a Roblox account, access to the Ohio place, and any required game pass or role. Once in, join a stable server and enable permissions. This prevents inventory issues. Next, navigate to the map area where cameras spawn or to the vendor UI. This is usually near the police or pawn shop. Start interacting, press the buy or pickup button. Doing these first steps correctly saves time and avoids lost items. You proceed by acquiring the camera. Either buy from the vendor, use an admin menu if available, or pick up ground spawns. Once obtained, open your inventory and drag the camera into a quick slot. This makes equipping instant. Equip the item with the assigned key, then test it by toggling the view. Make sure to adjust zoom and angle settings to suit the surveillance objective. Doing this now ensures you know how the camera behaves before you place it in the world. You finish by placing the camera on valid surfaces. Look for the green placement indicator. If it's red, move to a different spot. Once placed, access the live feed through the camera interface or map, then rotate, zoom, and start recording as needed. If the camera won't place or show feed, respawn the item, re-equip, or relog to the server. Make sure your role and permissions allow camera use. This one troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly and gets you back to recording.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.